Emergency One is a great example of manufacturing excellence, and we at Scottish Enterprise have been proud to have been able to play a part in its success over the years. We've worked with Emergency One in areas such as product development and internationalisation, including in relation to this project to create the world's first low-carbon fire engine. Built and designed in Cumnock, this fire engine, alongside a range of other products and services offered by Emergency One, will go on to save lives in communities all over the world, as well as play a part in saving the planet. Scotland is of course well known across the world as being a land of invention, and more recently as a country showing leadership in relation to the move to a net zero carbon future. And it's only through these projects that we're witnessing today that this will become a reality. And I really hope that the success and leadership shown by Emergency One can provide an inspiration for many other companies out there across Scotland and beyond, busily making new products and services fit for a low carbon future, and making products and services that will make communities safer and more prosperous.
Alongside our ambition to phase out the need for new petrol and diesel cars and vans by 2032, we've also set a very ambitious target for the public sector to decarbonise its fleet in Scotland. I'm therefore delighted to see this innovation from Emergency One with a zero emission fire appliance. This can help to support the public sector here in Scotland and beyond Scotland in helping to move towards zero emission fire appliances. The important thing is it's not just a new product coming to market, it's also one which is manufactured right here in Scotland. I look forward to seeing further innovation within the sector, particularly around zero emission vehicles, and I've got no doubt that it will help to support us in achieving our ambitious climate change targets, while at the same time also helping to improve our air quality.